Hi everyone, here's a quick video just to show you how to log into Purplemash. So if you Google Purplemash, this is what their homepage will look like, and it will ask you to put your details in, but if you put it in here, it won't work because we're not on our school's login page. So I'm going to go here to the bottom and go find my school's login page. Once I found my school's login page, you can just start typing our school name, Dartford Primary Academy, and it should hopefully come up. Once you click that, you need to go to school portal. And then once your school portal is there, and you'll know we're on the right one because it has our school logo and our school name, and then your details will work. So I've had the same details, but they just didn't work on the homepage. They only work on your school portal. That's obviously for e-safety reasons. We want to make sure the kids are protected. And when you log in, I know this is logged in as me, but you'll see the children will have the similar views. You'll have an alert button here. And when you click on it, it will have all the things that you need to do, basically. So in my case, I've got lots of things to do, but let me show you. Or you can go on your to-dos list. So I have a lot of to-dos, but the to-do you're looking for is this one that will say to-do Great Friars of London, and all you need to do is just click on it and it should let you just start doing it. I'm going to preview it, sorry. There you go. It's a little slow. Just press OK. And all you need to do, if you're on a tablet, you would just tap it and then a text box would come up and then you can type to your heart's content. You can add pictures. You can save pictures from Google and put them in, however you want to do it. It is kind of one of those things you've got to play around with, but hopefully it works okay. Good luck. Bye.